An example of indeterminate form of the type 0 into infinite. Example, evaluate limit x tends to 1, 10 square pi x by 2 multiply by 1 plus sec pi x. So we have limit x tends to 1, 10 square pi x by 2 multiply by 1 plus sec pi x. If we put x equal to 1, here we get 10 square pi by 2. 10 pi by 2 is infinite, so this term is infinite. Multiply by, if we put x equal to 1 here, sec pi, that is minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 is 0, so this is infinite into 0 form. To evaluate infinite into 0 form, or to evaluate this limit, we convert it into either 0 by 0 form or infinite by infinite form. We know that AB can be written as A divided by 1 upon B. Similarly, infinite into 0 can be written as infinite divided by 1 upon 0, which gives infinite upon infinite. Or infinite into 0 can be written as 0 upon 1 upon infinite, which gives 0 by 0. Now there are two terms. We take 10 square in the denominator. If we take 1 plus sec pi x in the denominator, the calculation will be difficult. So we take 10 square in the denominator. So limit x tends to 1, 1 plus sec pi x divided by 1 upon 10, that is cot. So 10 square goes to denominator, 1 upon 10 square, that is cot square pi x by 2. Now again we put x equal to 1, sec pi into 1, sec pi minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0, so numerator is 0. And if we put x equal to 1 in denominator, the cot pi by 2, that is also 0, so now it is 0 by 0 form. Now we apply L'Hopital rule, the differentiate numerator and denominator separately, so we get limit x tends to 1, differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of sec x, that is sec x into 10x, so we get sec pi x multiply by 10 pi x and multiply by differentiation of pi x, that is pi, divide by differentiation of cot square, that is 2 cot, angle is pi x by 2. Now multiply by differentiation of cot, that is minus cos x square, angle is pi x by 2, and multiply by differentiation of pi x by 2, that is pi by 2. Let us simplify this term. We get limit x tends to 1. This is pi by 2, pi cancel, this 2 cancel, we get sec pi x into 10 pi x divide by cot pi x by 2 multiply by minus cos x square pi x by 2. If we put x equal to 1 here, we get sec pi, that is minus 1. If we put x equal to 1 here, cosec pi by 2 is also 1. So we get 1 and this is minus 1. So we get limit x tends to 1. This is 1 and this is minus 1. And 10 pi x upon cot pi x by 2 as it is. Now we put x equal to 1 here, 10 pi, that is 0, and if we put x equal to 1 here, cot pi by 2 is 0, so this is 0 by 0 form. So again we apply L'Hopital rule. So this is minus 1, limit x tends to 1, differentiate tan pi x, differentiation of tan x, that is sec square pi x, multiply by differentiation of pi x, that is pi, divide by differentiation of cot, that is minus cosec square pi x by 2, multiply by differentiation of pi x by 2, that is pi by 2. Now we put x equal to 1, we get sec square pi into 1, that is pi, sec pi is minus 1 square, that is 1, so we get here pi, divide by minus cosec square, put x equal to 1, we get pi by 2, and cosec pi by 2 is 1, so we get minus 1 multiplied by pi by 2. Let us simplify, we get pi cancel, 2 goes to numerator, so it is 2. So we get this limit as 2. So this is the method how to evaluate 0 into infinite form.